Let me be blunt and say something very uncomfortable today. Some of the worst decisions in property are made by smart people. CXOs, professionals, doctors, and highly educated professionals. If you think being intelligent saves you in property investment, well, this episode can save you some serious money. Here's what makes it dangerous right now. On paper, real estate is very strong. The institutional investor transaction has crossed 60,000 crores. REITs are increasing, leased office spaces are rising. The absorption rate in all major cities are up by 15 to 20%. And if I talk about Gurgaon mein rates have increased from 30 to 60% in the past 2 years. These are not the signs of a weak market, but retail investor confused them. They lack conviction. It is because of this contradiction, strong data and weak conviction, is why smart people are making stupid mistakes. Smart people trust their intelligence too much. उनको ऐसा लगता है they can time the market better, they'll analyze it better, and they think they won't make emotional decisions. But the truth is, higher education often increases overconfidence, not accuracy. Real estate में हमें ये दिखता है when people wait too long. एक और जने से पूछ लेता हूँ, want to take another opinion? या अभी नहीं, कुछ टाइम बाद सोचूंगा when I have certainty. But भाई, real estate doesn't punish ignorance, it punishes ego disguised as intelligence. भाई जब कोई बोलता है ना आई एम स्टिल रिसर्चिंग, सोचने का टाइम चाहिए. भाई जब तक तुम सोच रहे हो ना, मार्केट तुम्हारा वेट नहीं कर रही. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. अगर आप एक 1.5 करोड़ की प्रॉपर्टी लेते हैं, ठीक है, एनुअल ग्रोथ करीब 10% के आसपास तो एवरेज है. गुड़गांव में तो 20% तक भी जा रही है इन द लास्ट 2 years. तो अगर 10% भी पकड़े तो साल के एंड में 15 से 20 लाख रुपए की प्रॉपर्टी आपकी बढ़ चुकी है. इतने में जो प्रॉपर्टी आपने रिसर्च करी होगी वो बिक चुकी होगी. जो इन्वेंट्रीज अवेलेबल होंगी वो होंगी जो आपको शायद ना पसंद आए. द पेमेंट प्लान्स also have become worsened because डेवलपर शुरू में अट्रैक्टिव पेमेंट प्लान्स लेके आता है, बाद में वो ऐसे पेमेंट प्लान होते हैं जो क्वाइट डेवलपर फ्रेंडली होते हैं, नॉट इन्वेस्टर फ्रेंडली. एंड नॉट टू फॉरगेट द EMI difference. During that time, the EMI might have increased by 8 to 10,000 depending upon the lending rates of the banks. So this is not patience, this is analysis paralysis, which comes in real estate with a heavy price tag. Smart people confuse activity with progress, but the markets reward only actions with clarity. Smart people love control. Perfect time, perfect price, perfect jagah. But here's a fact. Even big institutions don't wait for bottom to hit. They just see the fundamentals and jump right in. They just see when the risk is manageable, demand is visible, and long-term cash flows make sense. Retail investors wait for comfort, and comfort भाई कभी किसी price chart में नहीं है. Another biggest mistake which I often see in 2025 is people are stuck in old prices. अरे भाई 1.25 करोड़ में प्रॉपर्टी देखी थी, अब 1 करोड़ 60 लाख की हो गई, कहाँ से ले लूं? But market moves in cycles और वो आपका वेट नहीं करता. Residential appreciation happens in short, sharp cycles. And if you miss one cycle, you are stuck in the old prices. And then you miss the entire growth journey. Smart people are not analyzing value here. They are fighting reality. Let me be very clear. Being smart can help you earn money, but it's not a guarantee that it will help you invest your money. Investing requires emotional discipline, acting even in uncertainties, and having conviction without guarantees. Ironically, intelligence often delays the decision, because their smart people are always trying to find reasons for waiting. Smart people don't ask, भाई ये best deal है क्या? They just see whether the fundamentals are right, there is a visible demand in the future, and whether they can hold the asset during uncertainties and not resort to panic selling. अगर ये parameters meet होते हैं, you should invest. If this episode has made you uncomfortable, then good. Because sometimes discomfort is awareness. Comment smart but stuck if this episode sounds familiar to you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe Real Estate with Siddhant. And watch out for our next episode about the biggest lie an real estate investor tells himself. And this lie cost you more wealth than a bad project. Thank you for watching Real Estate with Siddhant. Signing off, your very own chartered accountant turned real estate consultant, Vaibhav Sharma.